Hello everyone! Today we are making meatballs. We need minced meat, milk, breadcrumbs, 1 egg, garlic and cheese. First we take a bowl and add minced meat and breadcrumbs and cheese, and then mix it. Next, we mince the garlic pour in enough milk. We knead well and we form some little balls. Finally, put them in the oven at 180 degrees for 25 minutes. And our meatballs are ready.